welcome. You're watching Ask Profit on NDTV Profit, and I'm your host Himakshi Bahuguna.
And I'm your host Malika Mishra, and along the next 1 hour, we will be taking up all your stock-related queries. So don't forget to call us on the numbers flashing on your screen. You can also write to us on WhatsApp, but we do urge you to pick up that phone and call us, viewers. But before we delve in, SVP from Retail Research has also joined us on the show, and he will be answering all your technical-related queries. Welcome to the show, Ravi.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, and sorry for the delay. There is a huge traffic, so I can say sorry.
It's absolutely fine, Ravi. And we were discussing about Hindalco. So how is it faring on the charts? Are the charts suggesting like a positive outlook for the company? And I'll just take you through the query once again. So Chaitanya, holds 93 shares of Hindalco at an average price of 593, and currently it's trading at 620. So what's your outlook on the counter?
Yeah, see, these days every stock is performing well, and on technical, the 80% stocks in breakout. So I can say that Hindalco is one of the stocks who can take support around the 600, and the target would be the 655 again. So I can say that just hold your position and put your target at 655 to 660 levels, and with the stop loss of 600.
Got it. Now we have our caller. Prabhakar is calling us from Tirupati. Hi, Prabhakar. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening.
Please ask your question.
Actually,
Okay. So we unfortunately have a bad line with Prabhakar, but we fortunately have his question, so I'll take up his query. Prabhakar basically holds 5,000 shares of Tilak Nagar Industries, to be precise, at 237 rupees a piece, and he has a short-term view on this one. Therefore, I'd like to come to you, Ravi. What is your technical analysis of Tilak Nagar? Because Tilak Nagar did see a sharp fall in February of 2025 and is now trading around the same levels that Prabhakar bought them at. So would you suggest Prabhakar to book his profits because he's sitting on a handsome profit of 3 lakh rupees, or there is more legroom to go in terms of the profits that he's already making?
See, recently we have seen a strong breakout above the prices. It's 260. Now it's trading at 297 to 300 rupees. I can say that this is the best time to book your profit at this point of time, because overall structure is now looking some profit booking zone. So I can say that this is the best time where you can book the profit.
Okay, got it. And I'd like to get your fundamental analysis on this one as well, Avinash. How does the space look like? Because still suggesting, but I'm talking about the short-term, analysis. So Ravi, coming to you, how is it faring on the chart?
See, recently we have seen very strong support at 1960, and now trading stock at 2265. So there is enough potential to do the target of 2400 to 2500. So I'll go with Avinash ji, and I hope in next 6 to 8 months we have seen some upside.
Now we have another caller. Zenith is joining us from Bengaluru. Hi Zenith, welcome back.
Good evening, everybody. I hope everybody is fine.
Yes. What's your question today?
Yeah, I'm holding 250 shares of Swiggy at the price of 465 rupees.
Okay.
And it was just a quick swipe. Now I'm looking for an exit strategy for few points, because there's nothing fundamental about it. That is one. The company's lock-in period will expire on May 11th as well, and locking worth of 70,000 crore of shares. That is one. And the third point would be there's hardly any momentum irrespective of the move from recent, Nifty. So what would be my exit strategy? Because there's hardly any downside left, maybe for 300 rupees, but there's an opportunity cost involved as well. So would you be kind enough to give me the holistic look in terms of at what time should I exit? What should be my strategy? Shall I leave it and forget about it, or get out of it and invest in some other stock? Thank you.
Got it. Let's get this query answered. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. Zenith currently holds 250 shares of Swiggy at 465 rupees a piece. He's asking for an exit strategy because number one, he does not see any fundamental strength, neither does he see an upward momentum in the stock. Tell me if you agree with his view. Is that the right view to have with regards to this investment? And because he wants to exit these shares, exit this investment, what should that strategy be?
See, I understand, ma'am, is very difficult situation because the stock is down about to the 50% from the higher level. So he had done all the strategies, but now very fishy. What should they do? So my point is, just wait and watch. The target would be the 370 and 380 is the maximum target. You can see in next 3 to 4 weeks maximum, and downside is unlimited. I can say that why unlimited is the next target would be the 300, and again below 300 the target is 280. So downside is open, but there is some expectation is pullback. Its target is 370 to 380 level. So that level is the exact exit level. So you can wait and watch, and once achieve the level, then take exit and put the stop loss of 320 for closing stop loss. And if you want to buy another stock, there is a lot of opportunity. I can say that one is very small stock is NHPC, second is GMR Infra. So I have a number of lists, but better to switch the NHPC is a good stocks at this point of time.
Okay. Thanks, Ravi, for giving us those precise numbers. I think they're very important. But, Avinash, I'd like to quickly take your view about the levels currently trading at 387. So do you think that these are some elevated levels, and a new investor who wants to, invest in this counter should wait for some sort of, decline there?
Be particular. We can watch for the wait for the level of 375 to 370 levels. That risk reward ratio is better that point of time, and put the stop loss of 350 for the target of 410. So upside in next 3 to 4 weeks, we may see 410 to 415 levels.
Okay, and now let's talk to Sandeep. He's calling us from Bengaluru. Hi, Sandeep. Good evening.
Hi, ma'am.
Since he said that the valuation is a bit elevated, so what is your outlook on this particular counter, and what suggestion do you have for Bhaskar?
Currently stock is in downward channel, and in higher zone we have seen some profit booking, and the profit booking will continue till 650 to 600 level. So I can say that avoid this stock for trade or for investment. So better buy another stock. If I'm happy with the KNR construction, but is a KNR, I think KRN heat exchanger is not good for this time.
Okay, so KRN heat exchangers is not good at the moment. Now we will speak to Shiv Kumar, calling us from Bengaluru. How can we help you?
I have bought 8,000 shares of today at the rate of 54 rupees.
Okay.
Now it is around 60 rupees.
Yes.
Now, can I book profit or continue up to 6 months?
Understood. You've bought 8,000 shares of Suzlon Energy at 54. Am I correct?
54.
Yeah, 54. Yes. Understood.
Okay.
So you're looking for a long-term view?
6 months period, madam.
6 months period. Okay. So Ravi, talking about Suzlon Energy, he is sitting on a good, decent profit of over 42,000. Currently, it's trading at 59. Although it was down in trade today over 1%. So what's your outlook on the counter? Should he book his profits, or should he stay invested and he could probably make more profits in the near term?
At this point, we should apply a strategy. The stock is acting in a range bound activity. Is a 52 is lower side and upper side is 60 rupees, right? So once it cross at 60, he can achieve the target of 65 to 70 rupees. So I can suggest just wait and watch. Don't panic at this point of time, and put the stop loss of 55 to 56 rupees if you want. But I think the next target would be the 65 or 70. You can hold till the target.
Okay, and now we have Nilay who's calling us from Patna. Hi Nilay, good evening.
Good evening.
Please ask your question.
I'm having 200 shares of Northern Arc Capital.
Okay.
Purchased at a rate of 260 rupees.
Okay.
Since then it has been going down, but only the last few days has come up.
Mm-hmm.
So what should be the should I add more or wait, or how long should I wait?
Okay, and Nilay, when did you purchase these 200 shares?
Around 2-3 months back.
Okay, 2-3 months back. Understood. Ravi, I come to you on this one. Nilay currently holds 200 shares of Northern Arc Capital at 260 rupees a piece. And as he mentioned that the stock has been falling for a very long time, and we saw a little bit of recovery happen quite recently. What would you suggest Nilay to do, especially given how the stock is performing?
See, I'll suggest don't average at this price, because you may see some pullback or some upside movement till 218 to 220 levels, but that level you should use to exit and book the loss and switch to the another stocks. I can suggest there is a one stock we are talking about, the Canara Bank is Avinash is suggested. I'll suggest Bank of Baroda is another one of the best option. So switch this stock and take exit from this stock.
Understood. So exit from Northern Arc is what Ravi is suggesting. And with that, let's go across to a caller joining us. What would your top 3 stock recommendations to Ankit be?
See, ma'am, 10,000 or 5,000, but my stocks is only in below the 100 rupees. So one stock is Morphin Lab. They can buy at this level, and second stock is NHPC, is trading around 88 to 89 rupees, and third stock is GMR Infra. So all stocks are below 100, and the different sector they can make the portfolio.
Thanks for that suggestion, Ravi. Now let's take a WhatsApp query now. So Rahul okay.
Currently I'm holding 121 shares.
Okay.
600 minutes.
Understood.
My view is 9 to 12 months. Should I add more now or should I wait?
All right. And for how long are you planning?
I want to know both.
To invest in this company?
1 to 2 years, madam.
Okay.
Both technical and fundamental, madam.
Understood.
My observation is every year on March, the company is declaring good profits and revenues, madam. So I want to know, I want to add more, and it is declaring good dividend yield, madam.
Okay.
So I used to know.
So you want to accumulate more, and you want to
accumulate more.
Yeah.
Yes,
Understood. So Ravi, first I'd like to come to you, talking about the levels. Currently it's trading at 634. So is it advisable for Man Singh to accumulate more at these levels?
I don't think so, ma'am. If I compare with this industry or this stock, so GAIL is a strong stock, and they have a strong fundamental, and they can achieve the target much more upside compared to the Chennai Petro. Chennai Petro is in corrective zone, made a high of 1275, now is trading 633, and we may see the level of 500 to 480 levels very soon. So I can suggest don't enter at this level. If you want to switch to GAIL.
Understood. Okay. Yeah, and also, like you said that it is about to dip the levels. So Avinash, Sanya, are you there on the phone line? I think we've lost the line there, but we have Sanya's query with us. She holds 40 shares of Adani Green at 1,200 rupees, and she's looking for a short-term view on it. Currently, it's trading at 943 and was also down in trade today over 1%. But Ravi, talking about Adani Green's technical performance, is it positive? Are you positive on the company?
See, all Adani Group companies have high volatility. So I can say that is not much downside from the current level. So just to wait and watch. Don't panic at this situation. Definitely 1200 to 1280 levels. This stock will achieve soon. So just wait and watch.
Okay, got it. And just a disclaimer, viewers, Adani Group, NDTV is a subsidiary of AMG Media Network, which is an Adani Group company. And with that, thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us in this session of Ask Profit and being so patient with the queries of our viewers. And viewers, a simple message to all of you, do send in your queries on WhatsApp as well as call in. We're live both in the morning as well as in the evening. We're here to give you the best investment advice possible. And also stay tuned to NDTV Profit as there's a lot more lined up for you right on the other side.